So basically, the respondents were challenging, have asked the court to dismiss the suit based on the issue of the court lacking jurisdiction and you not having locus to file it, among several other issues. So what is your response?
The application of the respondent, the deceased respondent today, was frivolous. It lacks merit because it is a fundamental principle of the law that the right court that has to entertain issues bordering on the acts of the agencies of the federal government is the Federal High Court. And here we are in the Federal High Court, which is the right place by virtue of the provision of Section 251 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So I was at a loss as to why we'll be raising the issue of the jurisdiction on this court. And that was why my lord was surprised. He removed his scepter and said, wow, they're challenging the jurisdiction on this court. And they could not explain the basis. Now, they were also looking at the local standard of the applicant. The challenge of the local standard of the applicant is a demonstration of error of legal misunderstanding. Because by virtue of the PREPU, that is the Fundamental Right to Personal Procedure Rules 2009, the law has given any person in Nigeria to defend the right of himself and the right of his brother to be a brother keeper. You can also defend the right of your association. So the applicant today has been able to bring this matter on behalf of himself and on behalf of all the members of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. The members of the Seventh-day, not the Seventh-day Adventist Church, but the members in their individual capacity as they defend their right to vote in the election, the right to go to church, and the right to go to school or to write their exams. So the act of these respondents conducting elections on a Saturday and also conducting public examinations on a Saturday is an infringement on the rights of the applicant and the members of the Seventh-day Adventist Church and other persons who express their faith on the Saturday. So all the applications today are frivolous because they do not enjoy the merit of the law. And one of the respondents, that is the sixth respondent, also raised the issue of preliminary objection, challenging the course of action, that there is no course of action. The PREPU, which is a sui generis, state that you state your course of action in your affidavit, and that is where you don't have your affidavit. They say there is no evidence to show that he's a member of affidavit. He has, by way of affidavit, stated that he's a member of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. And there is no counter affidavit to that effect. And the law says that any fact proposed in an affidavit that is not reversed through counter affidavit is deemed admitted. They admit something with their right hand and begin to deny it with their left hand. They will be approbating and also be reprobating, which is not in tandem.
So 20th of March is Judgment Day?
Yes, it's a Judgment Day. They are very much hopeful that this honorable court will enforce the law of the land. We did not come here to tell them to enforce the Bible. We're only telling them to enforce the law. The Bible we have been able to, we are given now not less than 50-something places in the Bible that say that it is only Saturday and no other day is the day of worship for anybody who claims to be a Christian. Anybody who is a Christian, and he says he has another day, is not a Christian by virtue of the Bible. Because the Bible says we have only one day, and that is the seventh day. And the seventh day is the Sabbath day of the Lord Bible. Now, which one is the seventh day? In the Gregorian calendar we are using, even in the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the calendar we can see in our houses are all stating that Sunday is the first of the week and Saturday is the seventh of the week. And finally, they made argument of talking about that Nigeria is a secular day. We are not challenging the secularity of Nigeria. It's our submission that Nigeria is a secular state. But the individuals in Nigeria are religious states. They are religious persons. Nigeria Nigeria is a religious state it is a secular state with religious individuals. And that same state respects the religiosity and the conscience of the individuals. That is why it made mention of that in section 18 of section 38 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And finally, for you to know that Nigeria has religious individuals which is respected so much, more than 70% of the public holidays that are being honored in Nigeria